If your TV isn't part of the Netflix household for this account, okay, you'll have to do is go to I'm traveling. Okay, go to this and now get a code to watch on this TV. So if you're the account owner, will send a temporary access code to this email or this number. So I received the code via email. Okay, you'll have to do is select the send email button here, or if you want to use the number, click send text button. So I decide to use the email. Okay, you'll have to do is click the send email button here. Okay, click this and enter the code. We send temporary access code instruction to this email or your email. So I received the code here on my email. Okay, here the code, and you receive an email from Netflix, your temporary access code. Okay, you'll have to do is click the get code button on this email, and now you can see the code. Use this code to watch on your device. So enter this code on the requesting device for temporary access. Okay, you'll have to do is enter the code. Okay, 794 then 2. Then after you enter the code, click the next button, and that's it. Okay, we have back the connection on your Netflix account, and the TV is ready to watch again. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.